River Charter School. My name is Mrs. Eva Thierry, and I'm one of the 2 Launchpad teachers. I'm here to help walk you to your first class. So over here on the left side of your screen, you'll notice some icons here by the clouds, and you want to go ahead and double-click Microsoft Edge. When this opens up, if it's small, just go ahead. You can use this square to make it larger. So in our web browser, we've already set up bookmarks for you. So go ahead and click that and click Schoology. Our school uses Schoology as our learning management system. You may be prompted the first time to enter your student email and password. Go ahead. Once you have that entered, you should land on this screen, and you'll notice over here on the right will be your name. For this video, I'm using Johnny Appleseed. He's our sample student. Now, let's get to Launchpad since you're ready for your first day orientation. So let's click Courses, and you'll notice there will be Launchpad Summer. So go ahead and give that a click. And now you've landed on our course page. We've set this up with a few buttons for you. Go ahead, later you can explore the welcome. But right now, to get to class, we need to click Mission Start 9:15. Now, this session does begin at 9:15, so we are ready to welcome you in. Go ahead and click the link right below there. That is going to connect you to Microsoft Teams. You can wait the 5 seconds or go ahead and click Continue. Now this is very important. What I need you to do is click on Teams app. You can go ahead and allow. And what we want to do is go to the app. And do allow your microphone when it prompts you. And you'll be joining on the Teams app. This is already installed, so now you will see this. When you first join the meeting, your camera and microphone will likely be turned off. You'll just go ahead and click Join Now, and we'll be there to welcome you. See you soon in class.